Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2013 Mathematics Past Question 42. Find the mean of t plus 2, t2 minus 4, 3t plus 2 and 2t. Now we have to find the mean of this given what variable. Mean is equals to the sum of this variable all over the total number of variable. Now this is equal to sum of the variable is equal to t plus 2 plus 2t minus 4 in brackets, then plus 3t plus 2 in another bracket, then plus 2t, everything over, we have 1 2 3 4 over 4. So this is equals to, now we have t plus 2 plus 2t minus 4 plus 3t plus 2 plus 2t, everything over 4. Now this is equal to, now let's sum this up collecting like terms. We have t plus 2t will give us 3t, 3t plus 3t will give us 6t, and 6t plus 2t will give us 8t. So we have 8t, then we have 2 minus 4 to give us minus 2, then minus 2 plus 2 to give us 0. So we have 8t over 4. Now 8t divided by 4 is equals to 4 here 1 and 4 in 8 2. So that is equals to 2t. So the answer to this question is option D, 2t. So the mean of these given variables is 2t. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.